far. It's just barely getting light out. But this is where I went yesterday, which I said was a first for me. I'd never been here. And it was packed. So we decided maybe getting here early this morning would be a good idea. It's currently around 10 degrees, but it's going to warm up and be pretty decent today. I think it'll be a great day of fishing. So we're going to start the walk in. It's a little bit of a trek, but we're ready for it. First flag, like moments after I set the last trap. Look like anything? Hard to tell.
Yep.
You got something?
Nope.
Ah.
Lost it. Put rid of its mouth.
That's what I did yesterday
I
with my first one.
Felt the little tug. It was sitting there with it. And
Looks like it took some line. I don't remember how far down I had. I don't remember how far down I had that. 4 feet maybe? Bait looked good?
yeah, it was
Okay.
still swimming. It just had it in its mouth.
Okay.
Let's try right. I felt it was in its mouth. And
Yeah. Ah. All right. Flag on the same one. We'll see if he can get it this time. Oh, it's running.
Yeah, it was.
Hopefully it didn't drop it.
That's not a good sign.
Oh no.
Nope.
Bummer. The bait's still moving. Dang.
God damn. Gee.
That was a trout with no doubt.
It was going.
Yeah.
What's it going?
Try again.
Maybe we do. We'll
At
try
least
it
I didn't
again.
get the bait, so still hungry. Alright. Sun has come out. Ain't bright. It's gonna cloud in. We got weather coming in, but right now, sun's at least a little warm.
Sarah's turn. I've missed twice.
This really wants that China, but yeah, we have that way. Moving a little. And kind of a lot. Gone.
She got it this time.
Some weight to it. I don't know, that might be a bass. Can't tell. I don't know. Holy crap. I think it is. It's friggin' huge.
Is it?
Oh! That was a big old bass. Yep. That's a perch. I just moved that one down in the water column. And I get a perch. All right.
Well, here we go.
That's straight under the ice, and it's moving. That's a trout, 100% guaranteed.
Ooh, it's moving pretty good.
You lose it?
No. It's not fighting like a trout, though.
No?
But it's also a mile away. Whoa, way down in the weeds.
Oh!
Yep, there. It was.
That's a good
Just
sign.
wasn't fighting. Look at all that mess.
That's awesome, Sarah.
Here we
Nice
go.
one. That is a nice.
It's been a while. Sun came back out and it's been slow. And we're gonna pick up pretty soon. But I got another flag.
Looks like a...
Percher?
Yeah, it's moving like a perch.
Yeah. You get it?
Yeah.
Oh
Perch.
yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful morning.
Do you, I have the hemostats right here if you want them.
Oh, yeah.
I'll milk this little one. One of the perch I got yesterday was actually kind of huge. And hold the line. Open your mouth.
At guest, here we are. We went to a pond today that has some brookies and some warm water fish in them.
Yep.
We got one brookie on there.
It's been a lot slower than we anticipated. It looked initially like it was going to be a great day because there was a storm coming in later this afternoon. It was going to be clouding in heavily, but now it's like going to be a storm tomorrow afternoon and it's sunny. So it didn't quite work out the way we planned.
Oh, but it was a good day.
Yeah.
We got 8 inches of ice. Like I was telling Sarah, this year, you know, we got on ice so soon. Last year was fighting to find places
Yeah.
to go ice fishing, and
Yeah.
you know, this place here, like I said, had 8. So yeah, I'm ready to do it again, but I don't think it's going to be tomorrow.
No, it just looks lousy tomorrow, unfortunately.
Yep.
And we always do a New Year's Day trip. It's gonna rain all day. New Year's Day is looking like, so we're thinking we'll do a Friday trip and then do another on the weekend.
Yeah.
Next weekend, and we'll have so many more possibilities. Assuming this rain doesn't do too much damage to the ice. Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. Hopefully this snow will absorb a lot of that
Yeah.
water.
Yeah, hopefully.
So
We're gonna pick up here in a few minutes. Stay tuned in for some more videos.
yes.